All right, we're here back in Franklin. We're on lot 5, Prospect Street. As you can see, much of the exterior has been done. The landscaping will be the last thing, but that porch is done. Absolutely gorgeous front porch. I just love what they've done from an architectural standpoint. It's very aesthetic. It's just really, really nice. 3-car garage. This is on for 1.1 million. And now let me take you inside and show you. So this is the front entrance. You come into a large 2-story open foyer that I'll give you a closer look at a little bit later. Off to the right when you come in is the office space. It does have that rather unique wall design. Some people like it, some people don't. To each his own. Come over here. We got 2 closets on each side of the main entryway. This area would be the dining room. It has the paneled ceiling and the chair rails with the panels on them. Really high quality work. When we bring you over here to the kitchen, another center island, all Bosch appliances. This is where the cooktop is going to be. 2 dual ovens over there. Nice recessed sink. The brass fixtures is kind of what's up and coming, and a lot of people tend to like that. So you'll see that there, and the brass hardware as well. Off the kitchen, we have a nice large deck overlooking the quiet backyard, and that's all railed in and everything. I'm pretty sure all of what you're seeing is virtually for the first time, because I think it was quite a while ago when I last showed you guys around. And last, I want to show you on this first floor, I just wanted to show you this front living room, or living room, I guess you could say. Nice fireplace, shiplap on the back, plenty of storage space and shelves. Coming in through here, we've got the nice front entryway. As you can see, very large, gorgeous foyer, 2 stories. They finished up, I believe it was the last week or 2, on staining the hardwood stairs leading up, as well as the railings. Really nice craftsmanship, as you can see. And a great view. I'm not sure if you got a shot of that before or not, but a great view from across the street. Looks like they laid in the carpeting for the bedrooms. 2 bedrooms in here. Full bath, dual vanity sink. We have the washing room here, the laundry room. On the left, we have the carpeted 3rd bedroom. And now let me take you into the master bedroom. Big, beautiful master bath, 2 vanity sink. The countertops are in. Stand-up shower with a rain faucet for the spigot, soaking tub, and a little unique feature to this is down around the corner is actually where they have the commode. Then as you come out of the master bedroom, you have a nice large walk-in closet. Again, everything's fully carpeted here. Nice high vaulted ceiling for the master bedroom suite. And then in the backyard area where you can use it as a walk-in closet, that's kind of how it's set up now. But if you want like a little nursery or something, just somewhere to put a baby in a crib, then you have that. So again, 1.1 million. Let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, we'll see you next time.